Join me as I put my airport travel hacks to the test and see if I can make my next trip a total breeze. Airport travel can be a real nightmare, but with the right strategies, it can be transformed into a smooth and stress-free experience. By implementing a few simple hacks, you can turn what's often the most frustrating part of your trip into a breeze, leaving you feeling more relaxed and ready to take on your journey. We've all been there, stuck in a never-ending security line, worried that we're going to miss our flight because of an unexpected delay, or frustrated that our luggage has gone missing. And let's not even get started on the long layovers and tedious waits at the gate. These are just a few of the common challenges that travelers face at airports every day. From lost luggage to flight delays, it's no wonder that airport travel can be so stressful. And even when everything goes according to plan, there are still the crowds, the lines, and the overall chaos of the airport to deal with. In fact, did you know that the average person spends around 2 hours at the airport before their flight even takes off? That's 2 hours of waiting, standing in line, and dealing with the hassle of airport security. But what if I told you that there are ways to make that time much more enjoyable, and even productive? It all starts with having the right travel hacks up your sleeve. So, what are these travel hacks that can make such a big difference? Let's start with something simple, like packing efficiently. By using packing cubes and rolling your clothes, you can fit more into your luggage and avoid those pesky overweight fees. And speaking of luggage, did you know that you can actually track your bags using a small GPS device? It's a total game changer for anyone who's ever had their luggage lost or delayed. Another hack that's a total must-try is utilizing airport lounges. Not only do they offer a quiet and comfortable space to relax before your flight, but they often provide complimentary food and drinks too. And let's not forget about tips for faster check-ins, like using online check-in and printing your boarding pass at home. By doing so, you can skip the line at the airport and head straight to security. But one of the biggest hacks of all is using mobile apps to get real-time updates on your flight. From checking the status of your flight to getting notifications about gate changes, these apps can be a total lifesaver when it comes to staying on top of your travel plans. And the best part? Many of them are totally free to download and use. In fact, using mobile apps is one of the top hacks that can drastically change the travel experience. Imagine being able to check in, drop off your luggage, and even order food and drinks from your phone, all before you even arrive at the airport. It's the ultimate in convenience and can make all the difference on a busy travel day. By implementing these simple hacks, you can turn what's often the most stressful part of your trip into a total breeze. From packing efficiently to utilizing airport lounges, there are so many ways to make airport travel easier and more enjoyable. So next time you're getting ready to head out on a trip, be sure to try out a few of these travel hacks and see how they can make a difference for you. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite airport travel hacks? Be sure to comment below and share your own tips and tricks for making airport travel easier. And if you want to stay up to date on more travel tips and hacks, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Happy travels!